Since Canam has taken over this plant, there's been a lot of growth. Most of the plant today has been developed by Canam. So mostly building open web steel joists. We've added production lines, deck roll forming, and various other products to our plant.
We've supported the local community by providing jobs here. We've provided product for jobs locally and nationally, and we've helped drive the construction industry, which helps drive the economy in Canada.
Seeing Canam develop and build some of these large projects that we have a great contribution to is something to be proud of.
What I really love about Canam, they give a person like myself a chance to grow in the company. You work hard, you get rewarded.
For myself, like, feel happy, stay, work, and go home happy. That's all you need.
Canam Calgary is a very diverse and very inclusive environment. We have a very eclectic group of people, and I think that reflecting the community helps us serve our community better.
So we actually have over 25 different countries within just the Calgary plant.
We have people from Philippines, Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish.
Bringing in that many people, the range of differences brings new ideas and new perspectives.
There are a large number of women working in the office here, and in the shop as well. We've got welders on the line and such, and considering it's such a male-dominated industry, it's nice to see women growing within the construction industry.
Canam Calgary is a very diverse environment. They have the NHL, they have the Stampede, the close proximity to the mountains.
On a nice day like that, we go near Bull River for a picnic.
I do hiking quite a bit in the summer. Wintertime, I go snowboarding.
Calgary is a really safe place to live, really a great place to grow the kids.
It's a good community for raising a family.
The parks here in Calgary are fantastic. There's some parks that you feel like you're not even in the middle of a city.
I love the city, everything about it. My family's here. This is where I met my wife. So working here, a little piece of that is giving back to the community, because I am seeing a place that I grew up in grow from a small city to the city you see it today.